नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू bizbotany। आज हम पढ़ेंगे क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ algae के बारे में। क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ algae, we classified whole algae into three main classes. They are Chlorophyceae, Phaeophyceae, and third one is a Rhodophyceae. Rhodophyceae. There are three classes are there in a algae. First one is a Chlorophyceae. First class is a Chlorophyceae. We commonly call Chlorophyceae class as a green algae. Commonly we call it as a green algae. How the algae present in a Chlorophyceae class? They may be a unicellular, colonial, or filamentous. Unicellular, colonial और filamentous मतलब यूनिसेलुलर बोले तो सिंगल सेल से बना सो रहेंगे, कॉलोनियल बोले तो मोर देन वन सेल्स विल बी प्रेजेंट देयर इन अ कॉलोनी, one attached to the others. This type of colonies will be present in a colonial algae. If they are colonial, you can see a gelatinous sheets around the colony which protect the colony. This type of colonials are present. Unicellular, single cell रहेगा. Second, colonial, example is volvox. Also in some cases filaments will be seen. Filaments means a long thread-like structures, cylindrical thread-like structures will be present. That is known as a filamentous structures. Filament. More than one cells will be present. They are arranged one on the other. These structures may be present in a Chlorophyceae kind of a algae, and they are usually grass green in color. These algae, Chlorophyceae algae, are grass green in color due to the presence of a dominant pigments like a chlorophyll A, and chlorophyll B. These chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B are present inside a chloroplast. They are present inside the chloroplast. Then what is chloroplast? Chloroplast is a organelle. Consider this is a algal cell. Inside the algal cell, one organelle will be present. We call it as a chloroplast. Inside this chloroplast, we have a green pigments like a chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. Chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B pigments are present in a chloroplast of a Chlorophyceae algae. This chloroplast may be varies, its shape and size may be varies. They may be a discoid shape, cup shaped, reticulate, plate shaped, or in some cases you can see a spiral shaped chloroplast. Spiral shaped chloroplast. What it means? Discoid means disc-like shape. Disc-like shape will be present. Cup shaped means if it is multicellular, you can see a completely filled chloroplast with these structures. Cup-like structures will be present. In some cases of algae, cup shaped. Sorry, this one is a plate shaped. This one is a plate shaped. Third one is a cup shaped. In some cases you can see cup like structures will be present. This structure of a chloroplast we call it as a cup shaped chloroplast. Reticulate means network like. In some cases network like arrangement of chloroplast will be there. Network like, this type of network like arrangement we call it as a reticulate chloroplast. Next, spiral shaped chloroplast. Spiral shaped, spirally bind. Spiral shaped in filamentous algae. The spiral shaped, this type of chloroplast will be called it as a spiral shaped chloroplast. This one is a reticulate, network like. reticulate chloroplast. The shape and size of the chloroplast varies from one species to the other species. In some cases you can see the discoid, means disc-like shaped, cup-shaped chloroplast. This one is a cup-shaped chloroplast. Reticulate means network-like, and plate-like means this structure is a plate-like chloroplast. Spiral-shaped means this one is a spirally. They are spirally arranged now. Chloroplast is spirally arranged, present in some species of a Chlorophyceae class. Then inside this chloroplast, some storing bodies will be present. Inside this chloroplast organelle, some storing bodies will be present. We call them as a pyrenoids. Pyrenoids. In these pyrenoids, instead of starch and proteins will be stored. Starch and proteins will be seen in a pyrenoids of a Chlorophyceae algae. In some cases, the reserve food material will be present in the form of oil droplets. The reserve food material, oil droplets will be present in a Chlorophyceae algae as a reserved food material. These are the oil droplets. Oil droplets. The cell wall of a Chlorophyceae algae is somewhat rigid. Rigid cell wall will be present. It is made up of two layers. The inner layer is cellulosic. The inner layer of a cell wall of a Chlorophyceae algae, it is made up of a cellulose, and the outer layer of a Chlorophyceae algae is made up of a pectose. It is made up of a pectose. That's why the cell wall of a Chlorophyceae algae is rigid. When it comes to the reproduction, it shows all three kinds of reproductions. Vegetative reproduction, in this case you can see some fragmentation will be occur, or some different kind of spores will be formed. Different kinds of spores will be formed in a vegetative reproductions. Fragmentations means this complete plant body or algal plant body will break down into pieces. Each piece, during favorable environmental conditions, it grows into a new plant body. Such type of reproduction is known as fragmentation, which comes under a vegetative reproduction. Second one is a asexual reproduction. In this case, a biflagellated juice spores will be formed. In spores especially, juice spores are formed. How they are? They are biflagellated. Suppose it is a juice spores. It contains two flagella. It has two flagella, means this one is a biflagellated. Spores will be seen in a asexual kind of reproductions. Last one is a sexual kind of reproduction. In sexual reproduction of a Chlorophyceae algae, different kind of gametes will be formed. It may be a isogamous means male and female gametes are same. Morphologically similar. Such gametes are known as isogamous. Anisogamous means if male and female gametes are morphologically different. Such gametes are known as anisogamous. Last one is a oogamous type. In oogamous type, male gamete is small and active. Because of the presence of locomotory organs, it is active. This female one somewhat large and it is inactive. Such type of gametes are known as oogamous. Sexual reproduction takes place by these kind of gametes: isogamous, anisogamous, and oogamous type of reproduction will be seen in Chlorophyceae algae.